to install Java, go to your browser and search for Java JDK. Click on the first historical link and click on Download. Then scroll down and select the option according to your operating system. Open the downloaded file and follow the steps. After successful installation, open C drive program files, Java folder, JDK folder, and copy the path of bin folder. After that, open Computer Properties, and from the left side select Advanced System Settings and click on Environment Variable. Under System Variables, scroll down and double-click Path. After that, insert a semicolon and paste the bin path you copied. After that, copy JDK folder path, and under User Variables click on New. After that, in variable value paste the path you copied. In variable name type Java_home. And to check the successful installation, open command prompt from start and type ejavac. Thanks for watching. I hope it helped.